Too much smoke coming out of your Ninja Woodfire oven? Fix it fast. Woodfire smoke is normal when pellets burn, but if your oven smokes heavily from food, that's a grease and oil issue. Here's how to cut it down. Step 1. Trim excess fat before cooking. Grease dripping onto the hot tray or coil is the top cause of food smoke. Trim thicker cuts of meat and avoid letting fat pool in the pan. Step 2. Don't overcrowd the tray. When food is packed too tightly, oils drip and burn instead of draining. Leave a little space for airflow so grease lands in the drip tray, not on hot surfaces. Step 3. Use high smoke point oils. Skip butter and low-heat oils. Choose oils like avocado, canola, or peanut that can handle high oven temperatures without burning. Step 4. Manage cooking temperatures for fatty foods. Fat drips burn faster at higher temperatures. For rich or fatty items, consider cooking at mid-range heat to reduce flare-ups and smoke. Step 5. Keep the drip tray clean and lined. A dirty tray full of old grease will smoke the moment it reheats. Clean it after every session and use a foil liner or drip tray liner. I've linked the ones I use below. They catch fat, stop buildup, and cut down on smoke. Step 6. Wipe down residue. After each cook. Once the oven cools, wipe off splatters from the inside walls and under the tray. Built-up oil burns faster than fresh drips and makes smoke worse. If this helped you control smoking and cook cleaner, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance help. And if you need drip tray liners, I've linked the ones I use below. They make cleanup easy and stop grease fires before they start. Thanks for watching, and keep the smoke in the flavor, not the air.